Hi, my name is Daniela, and we are currently standing in my beautifully renovated kitchen. My husband and I have had almost our entire home fully renovated by Sasana Inc. And one of the biggest fears after purchasing a home that was 31 years old and having to get into the renovation process was all of the nightmare stories that you hear. If I have to use two words to describe our renovation experience with Sasana, it would be stress-free and flawless. Upon our first initial meeting with Andre, both of us had an instant connection with him, and we felt that he was someone we could trust in renovating our home. We found throughout the whole renovation process the Sasana team to be very professional, very reliable, and everything that they said they would deliver to us, they did. One of the most valuable assets we found when renovating our home was our ability to have access to their designer, Olga. The renovation process for us, like for most individuals, can be very overwhelming. And we just had to give her our ideas and what we were looking for, and she brought our ideas to life. Our renovation of our home was beyond our expectations. We have recommended and will continue to recommend Sasana Inc. to many of our friends and families, and to anybody out there who is looking to renovate their home, I would strongly recommend the team. On behalf of Paul and myself, we would just like to thank Andre and the whole team for turning our house now into our home. Thank you.